What if I told you that everything you know about building muscle is dead wrong? That the advice you've been following is keeping you stuck in the same place? What if I showed you a simple science-backed method that transformed my body in just 3 years and can do the same for you? Stick around, because this isn't just another fitness video. This is your blueprint to a body that turns heads. Here's the hard truth: most fitness advice is either too complicated or just plain wrong. You're told to lift heavy, eat clean, and do endless cardio. But what if I told you that 90% of your results come from just 10% of what you're doing? That's right. The secret isn't working harder, it's working smarter. And today, I'm breaking it all down for you. Let's get straight to the point. If you want a body that screams confidence, you need to focus on these 4 muscle groups. And here's the kicker: one of them is something you've probably never even thought about training. Ready? Let's dive in. Abs, especially lower abs. Forget the six-pack obsession. Your lower abs are the real game changer. They define your core, make your waist look smaller, and give you that V-taper everyone craves. And here's the secret: most guys ignore them completely. Don't be that guy. Neck. Wait, neck training? Yes, you heard that right. A thick, muscular neck is the ultimate cheat code for looking stronger and more dominant. It's like instant respect in every room you walk into. And guess what? Most guys skip it entirely. Shoulders. Want to look wider and more athletic? It's all about the lateral delts. These muscles create the illusion of a smaller waist and a broader frame. And the best part, you don't need heavy weights to see results. Just consistency. Arms, including forearms. Your arms are always on display. Big, defined arms scream strength and confidence. But here's the twist. Don't forget your forearms. They're the finishing touch that ties everything together. Skip them, and your physique will look incomplete. Now, here's the truth. You don't need to spend hours in the gym every day. In fact, overtraining can ruin your progress. The key is progressive overload, lifting heavier, doing more reps, and staying consistent. But there's a catch: most guys get this wrong. They either lift too heavy too soon, or don't push themselves enough. I'll show you the sweet spot. Let's talk about diet. You've probably heard you need to eat clean 24/7, track every calorie, and avoid junk food like the plague. But here's the truth. I ate pizza, burgers, and still built muscle. How? It's all about balance. I'll share the simple hack that lets you enjoy your favorite foods while still making gains. Here's the deal: eat slightly more than you're used to, like an extra slice of toast or a handful of nuts. This small change can help you gain 2 kilograms of muscle per week without turning your life upside down. And no, you don't need to weigh your food or obsess over macros. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and the results will come. The cardio myth busted. Now let's bust a myth: cardio kills gains. Wrong. The truth? Moderate cardio is your secret weapon. It burns fat, boosts your heart health, and makes your muscles look more defined. But here's the catch: don't overdo it. I'll show you the perfect balance. I do cardio 3 to 4 times a week. Just 20 to 30 minutes of cycling or fast walking. It's enough to stay lean without sacrificing muscle. And trust me, your physique will thank you. The mindset that changes everything. Here's the hard truth: transformation doesn't happen overnight. There will be days when you don't feel like working out, when progress feels slow, or when life gets in the way. But here's what separates the winners from the rest: discipline. Not motivation, discipline. Show up even when you don't feel like it. That's how you win. Remember, every rep, every meal, every small win adds up. It's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. And when you look back a year from now, you'll be amazed at how far you've come. Here's one last tip: don't do this alone. Surround yourself with people who push you to be better. Whether it's a gym buddy, an online community, or a coach, accountability is everything. When you have a team cheering you on, the journey becomes so much easier. So, are you ready to take control of your body and your life? Hit that like button if you're committed to making a change. Share this with your gym buddy who needs to see it. And don't forget to subscribe, because this is just the beginning. I'll be dropping more tips, hacks, and secrets to help you crush your goals. Remember, your journey starts today. Stay strong, stay focused, and let's get after it.